Good evening. Today I, Vineet Swaraj of class 9B, is here to show you my presentation on coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. So here it goes. Corona, corona, corona. Now, here a question arises that what is COVID-19? Well, COVID-19 is a severe disease caused by an uncurable virus called coronavirus. Now, COVID-19 stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. It is a type of disease that comes under the category of SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, under WHO, World Health Organization. Now, again, here a question arises that is corona a natural virus or an artificial virus? Well, according to the combined study of Harvard University and Nobel Prize devotee, scientists coronavirus is an artificial virus that can be prepared in laboratory under favorable conditions. So friends, do you all want to know more about it? So please continue to the next slide. Carry on. Now, the history of coronavirus. As we all know that the first case of COVID-19 was found in Wuhan, China in December 2019. From then, it has never looked back. The cases of COVID-19 has never stopped. It is always increasing and goes on increasing. Till now, there has been more than 3.7 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the world, out of which USA is leading with more than 1.25 million confirmed cases, one of the most powerful country, and more than 72,000 deaths all over the nation. The cases of corona started from China. The European countries took it very lightly, due to which it spread there in many rapidly in the many European countries like Italy, Spain, England, Iran, etc. Till now, the world hasn't discovered its vaccine, which is the worst thing now, due to which its number goes on increasing rapidly. Let's carry on. Now I'm going to show you the graph of USA. See, the confirmed cases in USA according to World Health Organization is 1.1 million. The first case of USA was found in 20th of January 2020. Now, here comes the map of USA. You can see that New York is the most affected region of USA and the world. Oh my god, see the red color in USA. It's so dark, that means USA is the most affected country of COVID-19. Now, India on COVID-19. As we all know that India has become a great hotspot of coronavirus patients. As of now, 6 May 2020, India has more than 50,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 syndrome. The first case of COVID-19 in India came on 30th of January 2020 in Kerala, which was migrated from China to India. In more than 33 Indian states and union territories that are affected with coronavirus. Now, people of India, as we all know that they are very careless. The people of India are not even taking it seriously now because of their narrow mindedness that they would not be affected by this virus. I want to tell you this is wrong because there have been more than 1700 deaths in India due to COVID-19, due to which Indian city has been divided into three zones: the red zone, orange zone, and the green zone. And there are many hotspots of COVID-19 in India. Now, here is a picture that shows the confirmed cases of coronavirus and active and recovered and deceased coronavirus patients. Now here is the map of India, and you can see that Maharashtra is the most affected country with most affected nation with coronavirus. Now here is the confirmed cases of COVID-19 graph and the active cases of COVID-19 graph. You all can see it very clearly. Now here comes the graph of deceased people as of 5th May, and now it has been more than 1700. I can't even imagine this much death in our nation. This is a curse to the world. Now you can see the picture of coronavirus observed under microscope. Now the symptoms of COVID-19. Here it goes. As of now, corona is the most burning topic in the world, which everybody talks about its symptoms. The symptoms are on the mouth of their people. Well, the symptoms of COVID-19 are as follows. First, cough and cold. It is very common in all people. Second, high temperature. Your temperature, you have will having very much fever. And then difficulty in breathing, which is the worst thing because if you can't breathe, you can't live. Then tiredness. We all will get tired if we are having this coronavirus in our body. Well, according to the study of Harvard University, an affected person gets to know about it within 6 to 15 days that he is a victim of COVID-19 or not. It enters in the body through three paths that are nose, eyes, and mouth and stays in our neck part for around 5 days, due to which we can't feel that we are a patient of COVID-19 or not in the first 5 days. After 5 days, it moves to our lungs. So we must follow certain precautions to prevent the spread of COVID-19, which is very, very, very necessary to stay in this country. Now, here are the pictures of the symptoms. You can see this boy, he is having problem in breathing as well as he is coughing too much. And you can see this man, he is sneezing, and due to sneezing, the coronavirus may spread to other persons. Now, high temperature, as I have told you, you will be having great fever that will be very severe. And tiredness, oh my god, tiredness is one of the most worst thing because when you get tired, you don't will to do anything. Now next, in this slide, we will discuss about prevention against COVID-19. Now, prevention is better than cure. It has been rightly said by Mr. Desiderius Erasmus. Now, this case certainly applies during the case of COVID-19. As we all know that it is a physically transmitted disease which can be even transmitted through air when someone coughs or sneezes. And according to the study of Harvard University, it can be found within 4 meters in the air when a person sneezes or coughs. So we must follow certain precautions to prevent its spread, which are as follows. We should not come out our houses until very emergency. We should respect the lockdown done by the government, that is must. We must wear a mask while going out or while coughing or sneezing. Use alcohol-based hand sanitizer or liquid soap hand wash and wash for at least 20 seconds as directed by the World Health Organization. Avoid touching outside things, which is very necessary. Practice social distancing in public areas and keep at least 2 meter distances between each other. Very important thing. We must help a person in need in spite of avoiding them, so that we must have a feeling of gratitude towards them. Next. We must take the above said precautions seriously to avoid the spread of coronavirus and COVID-19, which is very much necessary. So please follow it. Now, you can see that the person is applying liquid soap hand wash to wash his hands. We all must do it. We all must wear a mask like this girl and must wash our hands for at least 20 seconds and must keep a distance of at least 2 meters between each other, which is a practice of social distancing. And we should not go at any public place and make it close and should not make a crowd over there. Now, here you can see our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. So, I am going to tell you about the views of our Prime Minister on COVID-19. Our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has motivated the Indian citizens to be strong and don't fear from Corona. Corona se darona, rightly said by Mr. Narendra Modi. He has requested all the citizens to practice social distancing and to stay inside their house by imposing one curfew on 22nd March and 3 lockdowns in the whole nation, which is going on now. He motivated people and requested them to appreciate the efforts made by the doctors, nurses, reporters, delivery persons, police officers, cleaners, sweepers, etc. by clapping our hands and playing different utensils outside our house in order to show gratitude towards them. Next, he also told the people to light diyas and enlighten the whole nation with confidence and power of oneness and selfness. Now, on 14th of April 2020, he told seven most important things which are as follows and everyone must follow it. Here it is. PM Modi's 7 points appeal to nation during lockdown 2.0. They take special care of elderly persons, especially those who have medical history. This is very much necessary. We must follow lockdown and social distancing and must cover our face with masks or even cloths. We should enhance our immunity as followed by the Ayurveda ministry. Now, we must download a mobile application called Arogya Setu which helps us to prevent the spread of corona infection. Now, take care of needy in your area, feed as many poor families as you can and don't avoid them, please. Show empathy with your employees, don't take any of their job and please pay their salary. Pay utmost respect to corona warriors, the doctors, nurses, etc., and show your gratitude towards them. Here you can see the picture of the Thali Bajana on which held on 22nd of March and this Diyas enlightening which held on 5th of April. Now, as it is the last slide, it is my humble request to follow the guidelines of the government and stay away from any kind of rumor as till now there is no vaccine of coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe.